You don't need a fancy degree hanging on the wall, powerful connections in high places, or even the latest, most expensive laptop. What you truly need is a firm decision to change your circumstances and a clear direction to guide your efforts. It all starts with that initial commitment, because right now, at this very moment, thousands upon thousands of ordinary people are cleverly turning their otherwise wasted scroll time into real, tangible income. They're doing this by leveraging the incredible power of AI-powered vibe marketing. The numbers don't lie. Over 70 million Americans are now actively earning income through various avenues like freelancing gigs, creative side hustles, or selling innovative digital products online. The landscape of work is evolving rapidly, but here's where things get truly wild and fascinating. A staggering 54% of Gen Z, that's the demographic of people under the age of 27, are actively monetizing their social media presence and turning their online influence into cold, hard cash. Why is this happening? Because the fundamental rules of the game have irrevocably changed. Artificial intelligence isn't about to replace human beings entirely. Instead, it's strategically replacing repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up humans to focus on higher-level activities. That fundamentally means that the person who truly understands how to effectively harness the power of AI to save valuable time, consistently create value for others, and intelligently automate income streams is the person who ultimately wins in this new era. This is where vibe marketing comes in. Vibe marketing is the art of using AI and emotional intelligence to sell without selling. You create content, messages, offers, and visuals that feel right because they resonate. But here's the twist. You're not doing this manually. You're using AI to think for you, write for you, design for you, and even post for you. Here's how you go from zero to earning in 3 core paths. Path 1. AI Content Creation Service. In today's digital landscape, every business online needs a steady stream of engaging content to stay relevant and attract customers. However, not every business owner has the time, resources, or expertise to consistently create high-quality content. This is where you come in. By offering AI-powered content creation services, you can fill a critical need and build a profitable business. Step 1. Harness the power of ChatGPT. Start by crafting compelling prompts. For example, type, "Write 7 Instagram captions for a skincare brand targeting Gen Z in a casual tone." Experiment with different prompts to refine the output and get the best results. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the better the AI can understand your needs and generate relevant content. Step 2. Elevate your content with Canva.com. Choose an Instagram post template that aligns with your client's brand aesthetic. Seamlessly plug your AI-generated captions into the design and add eye-catching visuals to enhance engagement. Don't forget to leverage Canva's magic resize feature to effortlessly adapt your content for different platforms and formats, saving you valuable time and effort. Package them strategically. Offer a compelling starter pack that includes 15 branded Instagram posts plus 5 engaging Reels scripts. Price this package competitively, ranging from $75 to $150, depending on the complexity and customization involved. This provides an accessible entry point for clients and allows you to showcase the value of your services. Path 2. Automated social media management. Imagine managing not just 1 but 3 clients' Instagram accounts in under 90 minutes a day. This level of efficiency is achievable through strategic automation and streamlined workflows. By leveraging the right tools and techniques, you can scale your social media management services and maximize your earning potential. Unlock the power of automation with Zapier to streamline your post scheduling process. Zapier seamlessly connects Canva to Instagram, allowing you to upload your captivating designs and automatically post them according to a predefined schedule. This eliminates the need for manual posting, freeing up your time to focus on other critical tasks, such as client communication and strategy development. Path 3. Build and flip mini brands for profit. Start by visiting Looka.com, an AI-powered platform that enables you to build a complete brand identity automatically. Generate professional-looking logos, select complementary color palettes, and choose appropriate fonts that resonate with your target audience. This comprehensive branding package forms the foundation for your mini brand. Create valuable content starter packs and sell them on popular platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. The demand for digital products is soaring, with a remarkable 53% year-over-year growth in 2024. By offering high-quality, ready-to-use content solutions, you can tap into this lucrative market and generate passive income. Let's talk about some common pitfalls that beginners often stumble into. These mistakes can really slow down your progress, and understanding them is half the battle. First, they try to do everything at once, spreading themselves too thin and losing focus. They also don't niche down, attempting to appeal to everyone and ending up appealing to no one. And finally, they wait for perfection before launching, getting stuck in analysis paralysis and never actually putting their work out there. So, how do we avoid these traps? Here's the fix. Simplify and concentrate your efforts. Choose one specific offer that you're passionate about. Select one tool combo that you can master, rather than juggling multiple platforms. And identify one ideal client type that you can deeply understand and serve. Then, get your offer out there, test it with real customers, gather feedback, improve your approach, and repeat the process. Most people think in terms of hours worked, trading time directly for money. But the top 0.1% earners, the true game changers, think in systems. They understand that building a scalable business is about creating leverage. Your ultimate goal isn't to hustle endlessly, burning yourself out in the process. It's to strategically build leverage that multiplies your efforts and generates exponential results. Leverage your tools by automating repetitive tasks and using software to amplify your reach. Leverage your time by delegating effectively and focusing on high-impact activities. And leverage your ideas by creating content that can be repurposed and shared across multiple platforms. Now you know what Vibe marketing is all about. You've seen the essential tools that can help you bring your vision to life. You've learned the key steps involved in crafting a compelling brand. And you've gained access to the data that will guide your decisions and ensure you're on the right track. It's time to take action. Pick one specific path that resonates with you. Learn 2 essential tools that will empower you to execute your vision. And commit to taking one bold step this week that will move you closer to your goals. Start building that content pack that showcases your unique expertise. Send that direct message to that small business you admire, offering your services. Flip that first mini brand and prove to yourself that you can create value and generate income. Because your scroll time is valuable, and your vibe is your most powerful asset.